Welcome. In front of me is a Blackview Tab 16 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. Get started and pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. Now one of those toggles should be a screen recorder. For me it's visible right over here, but you have multiple pages, so if you don't see it on the first one, it might be somewhere here. From here, simply tap on the toggle. It will bring up this window, start recording the screen recorder. I'm gonna select OK. Once you're done recording, you can tap on this little timer right there. This will automatically stop and save your screen recording to your Photos application, which is right over here. And here we're going to navigate to Library. And in Library, you should have an album called Screenshots. It looks like that's where the device saves screen recordings. So it will be semi-organized, as in here you'll find only screenshots and screen recordings, which makes it much easier to locate your, for instance, recordings later on down the line. Now, here's the recording itself, so I'm going to play it back. Now, the device does record microphone by default, so keep that in mind. I believe if you hold the toggle, which I'm going to test in a second, you will be taken to the settings where you can change that if you want to. So let me just close this. Let's find the toggle once more. I'm going to hold it. And there you go. You have three different options. So you can record audio as in microphone, device audio, and also touches on a screen. Now, anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful. And if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.